How many times have you washed your hands today? I know I have a lot. So we have been running out of hand soap. I love the Thieves foaming hand soap from Young Living, but I need to refill before my next order comes. So I'm gonna show you a super easy way to make soap, DIY it with good soap that will clean and get the germs off your hands. All you need is an 8-ounce foaming hand soap container. You could get a pretty one, a plain one, whatever you want. So I'm just gonna use this. So you need 2 tablespoons Castile soap. There are lots of different brands out there. I'm using this kind, Dr. Bronner's. Make sure you use unscented. You don't want any extra fragrance in there. 1 tablespoon of a carrier oil. I'm using fractionated coconut oil, a drop of vitamin E, or 2, and I'm using Thieves essential oil, 10 drops. Then I'm just gonna fill it with distilled water, and there you go. That's how easy it is. There we go. You can try different kinds of essential oils as well, whatever you like, but I like the great properties of Thieves, immune boosting. So I hope you make some and keep washing your hands. 20 seconds, right?